I bring you an IWC Portofino. It's simple and elegant, which is easy to match. And the replica market makes this watch is the best one. It's the one in my hand. It's produced by V7 Factory. Let's first look at the overall workmanship details. First of all, sapphire glass mirror on the watch. On the watch glass is treated with a blue film coating, so under the refraction of light, it will reflect blue light, which is very textured. Then let's take a closer look. Its hands. So the nail scale, the polishing of the hands, the tail of the needle have been rounded. It's not like the markets. The low version is a scissor hand. This one has a rounded corner treatment. Are all rounded. And the second hand, the scale, have been rounded. The craftsmanship is the same as the original. The calendar font and oil press lettering are also very fresh and three-dimensional, including the IWC logo. All the details are there. The crown. And the IWC logo. This crown can be rotated. The IWC logo. All the details are there. It can be said that this watch, in the entire Forbidden City replication industry, the most realistic one, whether you look at it from the front or from the back, there are no flaws, because the movement cannot be seen from the back. All the details are there, including the back cover, these engravings, and the back cover. The words on the back cover and steel stamp engraving are all engraved very deeply and very clear. The independent code, the circular brushed surface, all the necessary details are there, including the inside of the strap. The IWC logo is also engraved very deeply and very clear. The watch comes with a cowhide strap and the buckle. All the details are there. The inner side also has the necessary engravings. As for the movement, it is equipped with a Seagull 2892 movement. The original one is equipped with the Swiss ETA 2892 movement. They adjust the calendar in the same way, because the Seagull 2892 movement is also called SD18 movement. It is based on the ETA 2892 movement. It can also be called imitation. Anyway, it's the same. The watch that can install the Swiss ETA movement, it can definitely install a Seagull movement, including SW movement, can also be installed. Let me show you. Just screw it up directly. Just turn it up. Pull out the first gear to manually wind the spring. Take out a gear. It's not easy to take out with gloves. Take out a gear. It's for adjusting the calendar quickly. Other watch models, they adjust the calendar upwards. All go up. This 2892. Today, it's a bit special to adjust the calendar. It's down. It's adjusted downwards to adjust the calendar. This is the 2892 movement. Pull it all the way down to adjust the time. The function operation is the same as the original. To distinguish, the V7 Factory can also be distinguished by this method, because the V7 is equipped with a 2892 movement. The modulation force is the same as the original. Then at the end of the second hand, it has a slight downward bend, which is the same as the original. You can see it has a slight downward bend. If it's from other small factories, the second hand is directly straight. They won't make a slight bend. See? Then adjust the time. To adjust the power, turn it to the right. Lower the power. V7 Factory's delivery is one watch and one card. This is the warranty card. The following is its independent code, 5642135. Which corresponds to the watch, which is engraved on the watch case. This is a unique code that cannot be changed. 5642135. This is a watch and a card, which is unique to V7 Factory. And there is also a tag code, hello, 5642135, which correspond to the warranty card. And the position of the watch case are all corresponding. This is the V7 Factory, the current top quality one, and the most realistic one among all the replicas. The most realistic one, including its size, thickness, and original one. Let me measure it for you. The original thickness is 9.2. It's a zero resettable caliper with a diameter of 40. Let's measure its thickness first, 9.2, and then measure its diameter. It can be zeroed. The diameter is 40. It's a bit hard to measure the round one. The diameter is 40. 3.99. Because the microcomputer factory is based on the original one-to-one replica. The so-called shell covers, the parts you can see, the watch glass, the hands, dial, crown, the strap, buckle, and so on are all universal. It can include the movement and can also be installed on the original one. Then let's look at its wearing effect. It's a bit slippery because this is a new strap. I can't fold it. I'll just put it on my hand and show you. This watch style is relatively simple and easy to match. It doesn't have so many fancy functions. If you like this simple style, you can consider this one. It's very beautiful, especially the blue light reflection, which is very textured. The watch glass. Finally, let's look at its timekeeping data. It's very perfect. The daily error is within 5 seconds. It meets the Swiss Observatory certification standard. The how movement is very stable and durable. It is also currently the most commonly used movement. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like any other watch models, you can type them in. Thank you for your support.